Haters of Karan Johar in Bollywood. Shraddha Kapoor. Our beloved actress Shraddha is heartbroken by his best friend Sushant's sudden demise. She has no good term with Karan. Shockingly, as a star kid, she was never invited in Coffee with Karan except for season 4 alongside another star kid, Aditya Roy Kapoor. Being a star kid, Shraddha confessed bravely that Karan's nepotism has destroyed many talented actors' career. Sushant Singh Rajput. We have already lost this brilliant actor on 14 June 2020. It is now said that Karan Johar wanted to destroy Sushant Singh Rajput's career. Karan even banned him from his own production house and rejected him from his films. As a successful actor, Sushant found those rejections very embarrassing, and day by day he went into depression and took his own life. Anushka Sharma. The shocking fact is Karan never liked Anushka Sharma personally. When Aditya Chopra wanted to launch Anushka Sharma in the film Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, it was Karan who refused to work with an outsider like Anushka. After seeing Anushka Chopra's portfolio, Karan simply didn't like her. Aditya Chopra insisted Karan to direct the film with Anushka. Anushka even accused Karan for harassing her during the shooting of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Priyanka Chopra. Internationally acclaimed Priyanka Chopra stopped getting projects from Bollywood, and she was not seen in Bollywood films for many years. Priyanka had an affair with none other than Karan's best friend Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan. Both Karan and Gauri decided to ban Priyanka from their production houses, and that's why Priyanka started her own production house. Ayushmann Khurrana. After doing Vicky Donor, Karan himself congratulated Ayushmann and gave him his landline number. When Ayushmann called him on that number, Karan's manager picked it up and said that Karan Johar only works with stars. It was a heartbreaking moment for such a talented actor like Ayushmann Khurrana. After that, he decided not to work with Karan Johar. Kangana Ranaut. Bold and straightforward, Kangana is the first one who has spoken about nepotism bravely. Recently, Kangana blamed Karan for not acknowledging other actors and actresses who are outsiders. Kangana slammed Karan for promoting nepotism in Bollywood. Karan wanted to ruin Kangana's career also, but failed ultimately. Savage Queen Kangana now has her own production house and directing films on her own. Manoj Bajpayee. One of the immensely talented actors, Manoj Bajpayee, admitted that nepotism exists in Bollywood because of Karan Johar. Being a talented actor, Manoj never did any films under Dharma Production, and he struggled a lot to achieve ultimate success in Bollywood as an outsider. Prabhas. Prabhas doesn't like Karan Johar because of some serious issues. During the release of Saaho, Karan was spreading rumors about Prabhas and Anushka Shetty. Prabhas blamed Karan for spreading rumors and negative publicity when his first Bollywood film was going to release. What is your thought about Karan Johar? Write in comment section, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more Bollywood updates.